In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to delete a TurboTax form in TurboTax. So first, you need to access your TurboTax account, and as you can see on the left navigation bar is a bunch of options, but you are going to click under the tax tools, and once you click on that, a bunch of options will pop up, which is the drop down menu, and you just have to click under the tools section. Once you click on that, under the tools center, you will see other helpful links and other bullet forms, and you just have to click on the delete a form, and once you click on that, you just have to enter, or you just have to select which form that you want to delete and click the delete button beside the form that you wanted to remove. And after that, you will see this page, which is it will automatically ask you if you wanted to delete this specific type of form. You just have to click on the delete selected form. Once you click on that, click the continue because it is already successfully deleted. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.